Impact of Goods and Services Tax, GST, on pricing strategies and competitiveness. Pricing strategies. 1. Tax incidence. GST replaces multiple indirect taxes with a single tax regime, which affects the tax incidence on goods and services. Businesses need to analyze the impact of GST rates on their cost structures and adjust their pricing strategies accordingly. 2. Input tax credit, ITC. GST allows businesses to claim input tax credit, ITC, on taxes paid on inputs, capital goods, and input services used in the production or supply of goods and services. Businesses can adjust their prices to reflect the benefit of ITC and improve competitiveness. 3. Tax pass-through. Businesses may choose to pass on the benefit of reduced tax rates or increased input tax credit to consumers by lowering prices. This can stimulate demand and enhance market share, especially in price-sensitive segments. 4. Compliance costs. GST compliance entails administrative costs such as registration, return filing, and record keeping. Businesses may factor in these compliance costs when determining their pricing strategies to maintain profitability and competitiveness. Competitiveness. 1. Level playing field. GST promotes a level playing field by harmonizing tax rates and compliance requirements across states and sectors. This reduces tax distortions and ensures fair competition among businesses, regardless of their geographical location or industry sector. 2. Market access. GST facilitates seamless movement of goods and services across state borders, reducing logistical barriers and enhancing market access for businesses. This enables them to explore new markets and expand their customer base, thereby improving competitiveness. 3. Operational efficiency. Simplified tax procedures, streamlined compliance, and automation under GST improve operational efficiency for businesses. This allows them to focus on core activities, innovate, and invest in technology to enhance productivity and competitiveness. 4. Export competitiveness. Zero-rated taxation of exports under GST eliminates taxes on exported goods and services, making them more competitive in international markets. This boosts exports, enhances foreign exchange earnings, and improves the global competitiveness of Indian businesses. 5. Cost rationalization. GST encourages businesses to rationalize costs, optimize supply chains, and improve resource utilization to remain competitive in the market. This may involve restructuring operations, renegotiating contracts, and adopting lean practices to reduce costs and enhance efficiency.